Hey guys, look who it is, it's Aaron. We're gonna go rock out today with our guitars, my new one. So yeah. Hey Aaron, how heavy is that amp?
Not that much.
Ooh, strongman for the ladies, huh Aaron? Arrived at Aaron, and he's gonna play us a little song. Whichever you want, Aaron.
A song?
Yeah, whichever one you want.
I've done a solo, but okay. All of it?
Go for it.
All of it.
Yeah. Good job, Aaron. Alright, oh kiddos, we're gonna play you a song. Let me fix that camera so you can see us a little bit. There we go. Alright, you ready, Aaron?
Maybe.
Maybe. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, me and Aaron just figured we go get some ice cream because I have some gift cards from Christmas. So yeah, we're going to Cold Stone. Alright guys, just got out of Cold Stone with these beauties. No, Aaron just got regular old vanilla.
Yeah.
French vanilla. I got chocolate with peanuts. So yeah, that was a good waste of my Cold Stone card. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
To go eat my ice cream. They dropped in Aaron's room, but it's not here anymore. Watch right there. I'm getting away. Hopefully it comes back. Look at the bird, look at the birds. Eating my ice cream. Aww. Likes it. Eating the peanuts right off.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, wait. He might come. Oh, he's coming back for more. Gotta go back for seconds, you know what? Guys, like, I don't think I can finish this ice cream. I'm barely even like at it. And over there, almost done with this. Look at this. Almost done. Man, I think I'm gonna have to throw mine away. It looks like the little bird brought a little friend over here. Now a pigeon. Oh my gosh. People are just lining up to get my ice cream. Not good, look at him. Just eating it. Good doggo. Alright guys, I just threw away my ice cream because I couldn't finish it. Still a lot though. And we're about to go back to Aaron's house, so yeah. Alright guys, since I'm not feeling that good, Aaron is gonna play the guitar and I'll sing. So you ready, Aaron?
Oh, give me a second.
Alright, give him a second. Let's go, Aaron. Come on, Aaron. Go.
What?
Ready?
No.
Oh my gosh, Aaron.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's all good.
Alright.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
You start. Alright guys, here we go again. Alright, let's go. Boston! Alright guys, so me and Aaron decided that he's gonna take me home because we rocked out too hard, isn't that right, Aaron? We rocked out too
You
hard.
scratched your guitar.
Shut up.
With
We
your
rocked
pick.
out too hard. It wasn't my pick, it was yours.
No, it was yours.
We'll see you guys next time.